Yes. Yes, all of you can see the video here, students. Just give me a small reply in the chat box. No? Okay, okay, just a second. Yes, now I think you might be seeing it. Students, yes, give me a reply. Okay. See, I'm just showing you a small video. Okay. Now concentrate here and tell me if you are able to hear what he's telling. Yes. Can you hear it also? What he wants to say? Are you able to hear also, students? Okay. So let it be. If you are not able to hear, I will speak. Okay. Just listen to me what is there in the engine. Okay. I will speak now. Okay. See, this is an internal combustion engine. Okay. Why it is called an internal combustion engine? Okay. There are two types of internal combustion engine. Okay. You are able to see the screen at least now. Okay. So I am speaking for him now. Okay. You are able to see the screen at least. Yes. Reply just a small yes. Okay. So see, this is an internal combustion engine. Okay. With some of the parts here, and these are the four combustion chambers. This is the first, second, third, and fourth. Four combustion chambers are there. Okay. And why it is called an internal combustion engine? Because there is also a type of external combustion engine wherein the heat from the coal, okay, heat from the coal is given to water or something, and then that water heat is raised, and then that is the raised temperature of the water, that superheated steam is then used to run a turbine. You might have studied about it somewhere in thermodynamics. Okay, but here what is happening, the whole heat which is uh, there because of the fuel burning, that fuel because of that fuel burning, it is inside a small combustion chamber, and because of that heat there is a pressure rise inside the combustion chamber, and therefore because of that what is happening, the piston is pushing down. See, this is an internal combustion engine. Okay, yes, see here now, all are able to see it, all are able to see it now. Okay, see, this is the working, you just observe it now. All are able to see, yes. Okay, see, these are the pistons. Okay, because of the expansion of the gas, okay, this pistons gets pushed down and it starts rotating. These are the valves which is showing valves, okay, which allows the fuel, air fuel mixture to come inside. Okay, these are the camshafts. Okay, these are the two camshafts. These are the intake cam. Okay, camshafts के ये cam sprocket है. Okay, cam sprocket which is connected to the crankshaft here with the help of a chain drive. Okay, or you can say belt drive, but that is a timing belt. Okay, so this is a small internal parts shown. Some of the parts which are shown. Okay, and some of the parts which are shown and basic parts are shown. See this upper, the camshaft you can see. This is the application of your com. Com में आपने पढ़ा है what are cams. Okay, you have studied now, students. So see, this is the best application of cams you might you will be seeing here. Okay, sir might have taught you. I think so. Altamash sir or Ria sir might have taught you about cams. So this is the best example of your application of cam. Just observe it now, students. See, this is this is the first, this is the first a small, see, if you are not able to hear me, you can just ping me, okay, in chat. Okay, immediately. Okay, so I will be able to know if you are not able to hear me. Okay, so see here, this is from the four combustion chambers. All of you are able to hear me now, students. Okay, so So out of that 4 combustion chambers, this is one of the combustion chamber which you can see here. Okay, you are able to see one combustion chamber. Okay, so the working of this combustion chamber, we will study it. Okay, how with the help of this animation. This is a very good animation shown here. Okay, so with the help of this, we are going to learn. Okay, just a second. Just a second. Okay, yes. See now. See what is happening. This is one of the combustion chamber here. Okay, and what is this? See, I will show you. This is the piston. Okay, yeah. This is the piston. Okay, you can see with the blue line I am showing to you. This is the piston. Okay, this is your cams. See, these are the cams, 2 cams. Okay, these are the 2 cams. Okay, which is trying to push this valve. This is a valve. See, this is the valve. Okay, one valve and the second valve. Okay, it is trying to push it and trying to open the inlet valve and outlet valve. This is the inlet valve. Okay, from the left, the one which you are seeing in the left hand side, this is the inlet valve, and then one which you are seeing on the right hand side, this. Okay, this is the outlet valve. Okay, so see what is happening from that outlet valve. The exhaust gases are going out, and from the inlet valve here, the air fuel mixture is coming inside. Okay, air fuel mixture is coming inside, and what is happening? The air fuel mixture is getting accumulated here. Okay, air fuel mixture is getting accumulated here, and that is burning. It is burning because of this spark plug which is shown in the middle. Okay, this is the spark plug, and it gets burned. Okay, and the fuel will ignite. It is igniting the compressed air fuel mixture. Okay, so there is an electrical spark connected. See, someone was telling about the electrical energy. See, electrical energy is just used from the battery to just to give the current to this spark plug, and the spark plug gives a spark here at this point. Okay, at this point it gives a spark, and the air fuel mixture which is accumulated here. Okay, so it is giving a small spark, and therefore the air fuel mixture ignites. Air fuel mixture ignites, the pressure rises very much, and pressure rises, and what happens then? This piston moves down. Okay, this piston moves down. Yes, anyone wants to tell anything? Someone is raising their hands. Aman Tambe. Anyone wants to tell anything? The communication is clear. I'm audible. You all are able to see the screen also. Anyone wants to tell anything, students? No, na? Yes, Ejaz Qureshi. You can chat with me in the chat box. I'm audible na, at least. You want to ask something, you can ask. I will take a pause here. Yes, see, voice is there and screen sharing is also there. Muktasir. See, those who are not able to see now, there might be some communication, some network problem in your area, I think so. I'm having a fast net, and I'm giving the data. Okay, so let us start. See here now. This is the piston. It moves down. You will see it. It is moving down. And what will happen? This here is a connecting rod. See, connecting rod is this, which is connected to this piston. Okay, it is connected to this piston. And what is happening? When the piston moves down, this connecting rod will push the crankshaft, and what will happen? The crankshaft will start rotating. Okay, and there is the output. That output is transferred to the tires of our vehicles with the help of gearbox, propeller shaft, differential, and all. Okay, but we want the rotating power. The rotating power itself, हमको टायर को rotate करना है ना. So for rotating it, so we require rotating power. So therefore, this translatory motion, okay, this reciprocating motion is converted into rotatory motion. This reciprocating motion of the piston, see, it is moving up and down now. So it is a reciprocating motion is converted into rotary motion with the help of the connecting rod. Okay, here is the connecting rod. Okay, this is the connecting rod. Okay, okay, students, connecting rod is here, and therefore it is converting the rotary motion into, sorry, reciprocating motion, linear motion into rotary motion. Okay, so let us see now. See here, I've started the video. See what has happened. The fuel has come inside. You can see the movement. You have to observe the movement of the valve also. Okay, valve is opening, the camshaft is rotating. Okay, and what is happening? The fuel is coming inside. Okay, four-stroke engine. Okay, see, see, the air fuel mixture is coming inside. Okay, the piston is moving down. Okay, piston moves down, it sucks the air fuel mixture inside. Okay, now as it is moving upwards, okay, as it is moving upwards, what is happening? The air fuel mixture is getting compressed, but you can see here both the valves are closed. Inlet valve and exhaust valve both are closed here. And then what will happen? See, it is compressed, air fuel mixture is ignited now. Okay, spark plug has given a spark, there is an explosion, and because of the pressure rise, the piston is going down. See, there is no other thing, because just because of the pressure rise, it is going down. Now see, the exhaust valve is opening, the cam is pushing it, the exhaust valve is opening, and the exhaust gases are given out. Just observe it properly, student. This is happening at a very fast rate. Okay, and all the four combustion chambers, okay, all the four combustion chambers are having the same cycle, but there is a firing order. Okay, okay, there is a firing order. First, let's say first the second cylinder will ignite, then the third, then the fourth, then the first, or the second, fourth, one, three. Okay, 1, 3, 4, 2. See, there is a firing order of 1, 3, 4, 2. So this is just to balance the engine also. Okay, balance engine, because if two adjacent cylinders, if they are jo bazu bazu mein hai, if they are igniting, then there will be a disbalance. Okay, so to balance the whole engine, what is there? The firing order, that is the first cylinder will ignite, that is this. Okay, the first cylinder. Okay, and this first cylinder will ignite first, then this third cylinder will ignite here. Okay, this third cylinder, then the fourth cylinder, this is the fourth cylinder will ignite, and then the second cylinder will ignite. Okay, so this cycle will repeat. Okay, and therefore we will get power there, the power will be available at each and every minute second. Okay, just observe this. Yes, all of you have understood little bit at least something how an internal combustion engine works. Okay, so let us see the construction also. Okay, we will see the construction now. Okay, you will also see the construction. See, it is there is little bit less. Or all of you are able to see the screen. Yes, students, I am trying to show you one more video of the students. This is the construction. Okay, construction. How the basics. Okay, how the engine, how it is assembled. How what are the parts of a internal combustion engine? Okay, see, this is the main cylinder body. Okay, this is the main cylinder body. Yes, some of you have given the permission to speak. Okay, I have asked them to unmute. Can you speak? Can you speak with me, students? Yes. See, I wanted to tell you that some of you can speak. Okay, I have given the permission. 18 ME 116, 18 ME 63. I have asked you to unmute. Can you unmute now?
No,
Yes.
sir.
18 ME 63. Yes. Can you see the construction video?
No, sir.
हाँ,
डेस्कटॉप दिख रहा है.
डेस्कटॉप दिख रहा है. अभी एक सेकंड मैं ओपन करता हूँ. ये भी दिख रहा है. Yes. Student, can you see this? वीडियो दिख रहा है क्या? हेलो. Yes. Yes. Again, I have unmuted someone.
Yes, sir.
Can can you see the video? Can you see the video now?
So start.
Start. Okay. Are you able to see now? Na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Just observe it now. This is the constructional video. Okay. So see, this is the crankshaft which he is showing. First, it was the cylinder body. Okay. This is the crankshaft. Okay, the crankshaft, okay, along with the connecting rod and piston, it is getting assembled with the cylinder body. Okay, this the main thing which you were seeing was the cylinder body. Okay, see, this is the cylinder head in which the valves will be fitted, the rocker arms will be fitted. See, these are the valves which are coming. These are the springs you can see. Okay, another exhaust valve, springs, rocker arms which are fitted in the cylinder head. Okay, and this comes the camshaft. Here is the camshaft, you can see, which is connected with the help of sprocket here. Okay, so the sprockets will be connected via the belt drive. Okay, timing belt with the crankshaft. Okay, with the crankshaft. Okay, there are two types of shafts: crankshaft and camshaft. Camshaft is above. to open and close the valves, and crankshaft is below. Okay, crankshaft, cranck, crankshaft is below. This is just a cover from where you can open and close and put the oil here. Okay, inside the engine. Okay, this is the sump wherein the oil will be getting collected. There is, in some engine there is 5 liters of oil put inside the combustion chamber. Okay, and therefore what will happen, it will get collected here. Okay, and it will be circulated inside the combustion chamber with the help of a oil pump. Okay, there is an oil pump. See, there is this small things it is showing. Okay, there is a starter motor, there is a fuel pump. Okay, and there is a ignition coil. All these things accessories are fitted inside it. See, this black thing, it is the exhaust manifold, you can say exhaust manifold. Okay, so exhaust gases are collected and through a pipe it is sent outside. See, these are the small fuel injectors, you can say. Then comes the all the spark plugs. Okay, spark plugs are connected with the wirings. Okay, see, this is the coolant pump. Okay, it will pump the coolant inside the cylinder. Okay, again it is connected with the help of pulley. It will get its power from the crankshaft. See, there will be a belt here, observe it. The belt will be connected to this main. Okay, see, this is your this uh, alternator. Okay, it will get its power from the engine. Okay, there is a pulley also, idler pulley. Okay, so all these things are connected with a single belt here, and the all the things are getting its power from the engine only. Okay, all the things are getting its power from the engine, and it is rotating because of this crankshaft. Because the crankshaft is rotating, what is happening? The crankshaft, because of the crankshaft, it is rotating. What will happen is all the other things it will rotate. It will give its power to the fuel pump. It will give its power to the alternator. It will give its power to the fuel pump. Then coolant pump. Okay. Then AC compressor. All the things it will be connected with a belt. So crankshaft, it is getting its power from the combustion chamber. Okay, from the fuel, and it is then giving its power to run the coolant pump also. It is giving its power to run the alternator also. Okay, it is giving its power to run the fuel pump also. So all these things are getting its power from the crankshaft. Okay, engine is giving its power. Okay, and the battery will, what it will do, battery will just give the power to ignite the spark plug to run the starter motor, students. Okay, just for the starter motor the battery is used, and for headlights and all. Yes, so were you able to see it? Yes, Harshal, you can speak. You have raised your hand. Do you have any doubt? I've asked you to unmute. Yes, 18ME63, you can unmute yourself. Yes. Is there any doubt? Students, you can also ask in the chat box.
No, sir.
No doubt. इतने दो वीडियो बता दिए मैंने, no doubts. Okay, Siddiqui Naushad, there is a fuel injector system or carburetor. Okay, see, carburetor, when carburetor is used, there is no fuel injector system. Okay, and if there is a fuel injector system, there will be no carburetor. We have a detailed study of all those things. We will study it. Okay, so when carburetor is used, okay, there is no fuel injector system which is required. Air fuel mixture is mixed in the carburetor itself, and the measured quantity, a proper quantity is supplied to the engine. If you have a separate fuel injector system for each cylinder, okay, to supply the air fuel mixture or the fuel, then there will be a different system for that. Here there was a fuel injector system in this video. Okay, am I audible now, students? Okay, so any doubt, students, any doubt? Till now, no doubt. Yes, you can type in the chat box, students. No doubt. What is a four-stroke engine? Yes, yes, yes. Okay. See, I will just take your another 2 minutes to explain you. Okay, this was many things are remaining. This is just an initial we have started. Okay, so what is a four-stroke engine and a two-stroke engine? See, all of you can see this video now. Okay, we have shown you what is the construction. Okay, what is a working. So actually, you know what? There are two types of engine, that is two-stroke and four-stroke engines. Okay, so in two-stroke engine, one cycle is completed in two rotations. Sorry, in two reciprocation of the crankshaft. Okay, sorry, two rotation of the crankshaft. Okay, and in four-stroke engine, one cycle is completed in the four strokes. Okay, in four-stroke engine, what is happening? The one cycle is completed in the four strokes. That is why it is called a four-stroke engine. Okay, so in that four-stroke, what is happening? The crankshaft rotates two times. Okay, in that four strokes, this is a four-stroke engine which we are seeing here. Okay, all of you can see this video now, at least. All of you can see the video now. You are able to see the video now. Okay, see. So see here, what is a four-stroke? I'm going to explain you to you now. See, there is a single cycle. See, there is a single cycle in which there are four strokes, and after that four strokes, that cycle is again repeating. Okay, so that is why it is called a four-stroke engine. See now, what is happening? First, the valve is opening and the air fuel mixture is coming inside. Because the air fuel mixture is coming inside, the piston is moving down. The piston is moving down. So therefore, this is one stroke. Okay. If it is moving down, that is also one stroke. If it is moving up, that is a second stroke. Okay. अप या डाउन मूवमेंट से कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. अगर ऊपर से नीचे जा रहा है पिस्टन तो भी एक स्ट्रोक कहलाएगा. अगर और ऊपर से नीचे जा रहा है तो भी एक स्ट्रोक. नीचे से ऊपर जा रहा है तो सेकंड स्ट्रोक कहलाएगा. फिर वापस से ऊपर से नीचे आया थर्ड स्ट्रोक. फिर वापस से नीचे से ऊपर जा रहा है तो फोर्थ स्ट्रोक. ओके, so in this what is happening? First, because of this downward movement of the piston, okay, it is moving down, it is sucking the air fuel mixture. Okay, it is sucking the air fuel mixture, and therefore the air fuel mixture is coming inside. Okay, the air fuel mixture is coming inside, and what is happening is that the one stroke is completed. Okay, a stroke is completed, and what is happening? See, what will happen is that your one stroke, just a second. Here, the air fuel mixture is pulled by the piston. See how? Because there is a vacuum created here. Because of the pressure difference, there is a high pressure inside left hand side from where the air fuel mixture is coming, and there is vacuum here. Because the vacuum, there is pressure is less in the combustion chamber initially. Initially the pressure is less, therefore the air fuel mixture is sucked here. Okay, it comes easily inside the combustion chamber, and then your one stroke is completed. Now see, because of the movement of the crankshaft, what will happen? Because the piston is moving now, see what is happening? Both the valves are closed and the air fuel mixture is getting compressed now. You can see on the screen, air fuel mixture is compressed. It is written. It is compressed because both the valves are closed. It is a closed structure now. No gas, no air fuel can go outside. Therefore, it is compressed now. Okay. So your second stroke is completed now. Okay. It has moved up. Now what will happen? At this time, what will happen? Both inlet and outlet valves are closed, and the spark plug will ignite. It will give a spark. Okay, it will give a spark, and the air fuel mixture will ignite. It will start burning, and because of that heat, okay, because of that heat, what will happen? There will be a immense pressure rise. Okay, a sudden pressure rise. and that cannot be sustained by the piston, and it okay, it because of that pressure in that small area, the piston moves down. Okay, because of that high pressure, it is pushing the piston down, and the air and gases, the burnt gases, it is trying to expand. Okay, here see, it is expanding, and then what will happen? See, the third stroke is completed. Now the piston has moved down, and then what will happen? This is the power stroke. Okay, okay, this is the power stroke. Because why it is called the power stroke? Because from there only we are getting the power. Okay, and then what will happen? In the fourth stroke, the exhaust gases are getting out. Okay, so in this way, the four strokes are completed. Okay, this cycle is completed again and again. For one cycle, it sometimes if at high speed it requires 1/100th of a second. One cycle is completed. I'm not telling about one stroke. One cycle is completed in 100th of a second. So fast it is. Okay. So what is the see Anas Patel? Anas Patel is asking, sir, what is the relation of stroke and the cylinder? See, there is no relation between the stroke and the cylinder. It is a four-stroke engine. Okay, four-stroke engine है वो. So what will happen? फोर-स्ट्रोक इंजन है, इसलिए क्या होगा कि 4 स्ट्रोक में एक साइकिल कंप्लीट होगा, बस. ओके, 4 स्ट्रोक में एक साइकिल कंप्लीट होगा. ओके, और 2 स्ट्रोक इंजन में वी विल डिस्कस इट दैट लेटर. ओके,
तो 2 स्ट्रोक में क्या होगा?
सॉरी, हेलो. Yeah, I'm giving all of you the permission to unmute. So if you want to ask something, you can ask
सर
now.
2 स्ट्रोक में क्या होगा सर?
Sorry,
2 स्ट्रोक में 4 स्ट्रोक में तो पूरा साइकिल कंप्लीट.
2 स्ट्रोक में क्या होगा? 2 स्ट्रोक में 2 स्ट्रोक में ही ये पूरा साइकिल बर्निंग पावर स्ट्रोक वो पूरा कंप्लीट हो जाता है. वो उसमें थोड़ा सा अलग अरेंजमेंट होता है, अलग कंस्ट्रक्शन होता है. वी विल स्टडी दैट लेटर. ओके, उसका कंस्ट्रक्शन अलग होता है. ओके, एनीवन एल्स, एनी डाउट? See, I have taken so much time, but it is necessary for this IC lecture. You might be having another lecture also, na?
Yes sir.
Okay. So any doubt you can ask me fast, then I will leave. Any doubt, students?
No sir.
You can